Okay, here's how I take care of this issue, because getting panels right now is really, really hard because of the COVID thing and everything. So I'll get a zip tie. I'll get a drill bit that's the width of that zip tie. And then I'll come over and I'll drill a hole next to the hole where the screw is missing. Then I take that zip tie and of course bend it over like this. Okay, I got it bent like this. And I'm going to feed it in the hole and make a U-turn and make it come back up. And then pull it on through, okay? Then once you got that done, I usually run 2 zip ties through it. I did it on this chair. And I ran through the hole like that and zip tied them and then cut the extra part of the zip off. It's very firm. It's pretty firm. I mean, it's a whole lot better than what it was, rather than trying to replace the whole panel at this time.